Okay, Alexa, turn it down. Okay, so Alexa, turn it down. Alexa, turn it down. Okay, I just received a package from Queen Wrap. Wrap Queen. Got it. USPS package. So I never wrapped my hair. I mean, never used a wrap before, but I'm very excited about that. Hold on. Okay, this is cute. There's a little message. So what does it say? Can't read. Okay. I'm not sure. Okay. So anyways, I'm sure it's thank you, hello, blah blah. Enjoy your crown. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey Leticia. Okay. Hey Leticia, thank you for your order. You're officially a wrap queen. Yeah. Enjoy your crown. Thank you. Excellent. Okay. So let's see. Here's the package. This is very nicely done. Let's order. Let's see. Let's open the order. So again, I'm just opening up here. It's very pretty. All right. Comes with a little something here. Nicely wrapped. So let's see. What did I even order? I ordered bay blue, pinky, gray, black. You have to have black for the solid color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, we'll see. But it's supposed to be 5. They are $30 each. I'm going to share with my daughter Joella. She really wanted some. She's the one actually found. She found a wrap queen on Instagram. So this is the first one. I believe this is the gray. Yes. Oh, I guess I got 4 colors. Okay, not 5, 4. Look at that. Nice stitching. Did you guys watch the verses yesterday from that was between DMX and Snoop Dogg? That was so good. That was good. Okay. This is a wrap. So I do not know how to wrap, but just like everybody else in the world, I'm going to go on YouTube and follow the instructions there. Black, blah. Look at that, right? It looks so good. Black skin, and then pink. Look at this. Wear my wrap like a queen. I have no idea how you do this. No, like I never wore a wrap. Oh, gosh, this is going to be. Anyway, I'm not going to try. But anyways, I just want to show you what I got. I'm very excited about it. So you're going to see me wear wraps. Not all the time, but sometimes. I see people do this. Anyways, yeah, that's all I got today. That was my order. Very excited about this. Probably going to take pictures of my daughter, putting them on, or me. So anyway, thank you so much, Wrap Queen. Nicely done. Nice fabric. Worth the money. Just give it a try. Like I said, $30 each. And my daughter found a coupon somewhere. I think she signed up for the email, with her email, and signing up like that, she received a discount code, and she signed up and we saved $12. So all that together with shipping was $114. But now I have 4 wraps. So on days when I don't want to do my hair, I just want to, you know, be free a little bit. My wrap, I can just do that, put it on very quick, and look cute, you know. I like DMS. Alexa, play the next song. Okay, so anyways, thank you so very much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Other than that, like I said, wrap queen. Okay, wrap queen.